pan-seared salmon with habanero honey glaze coming up next here on the Idea Plate. Okay, I've got some beautiful salmon fillets here that I got from the butcher earlier today. Took the skin off the bottom and we're gonna rub these and put them here in the, we're gonna pan-sear these in this carbon steel pan that I've got. And we're gonna serve these on top of some beautiful asparagus, seasoned with some salt and pepper, as well as a little olive oil, some garlic, finished with a little bit of lemon juice. And when we're done pan-searing this, we're gonna finish this salmon with this habanero honey glaze. You've got to stay tuned for that. It's gonna be awesome. So let's get this going. First thing I'm gonna do, I got my carbon steel pan here at about medium to medium low heat, and I'm gonna add a tablespoon of avocado oil. And then while this heats up, I'm gonna go ahead and season up our salmon here. This rub is a mixture of salt and pepper, garlic powder, a little bit of cumin and oregano, as well as some smoked paprika and some cayenne pepper. Equal parts, and I will leave the rub recipe in the description below. That looks good. Get these seasoned on all sides. Also, when you're preparing your salmon, make sure you check for any bones and make sure you pat it dry real good. All right, we've got a nice rub on there. Got some smoke going. Let's go ahead and put these in our pan. You remember when you lay them down, you want to lay them down away from you, so in case you've got a lot of oil, you don't want that to, and you drop your salmon, you don't want that to splash up and hit you. All right, at this point, just leave the salmon. There's a tendency to want to touch it and move it around, but we want that crust to build up on the bottom and get a nice sear. And the great thing about cooking fish is you're gonna know when it's about halfway through, because we're gonna see this start to cook and change color. Okay, our salmon's looking good. We've got our asparagus out of the oven. These roasted at 350 for about 20 minutes. Again, seasoned with a little bit of olive oil, some salt and pepper, some garlic, and then we finished it with some fresh lemon juice at the end, which is gonna go great with our salmon. Okay, let's go ahead and give these a turn. Got a beautiful crust on that one. Oh, that is looking gorgeous. Now, I am also going to sear the sides as our salmon is just about done firming up. Oh man, wait till I show you this piece. It's so beautiful. In fact, it's just about done. We'll turn this one up on its side. This one was just a little bit bigger, and it's gonna require probably just a few more minutes. Now you can go by feel. Obviously you can go by color. This one is just about done. But if you wanna be 100% sure, you can insert a thermometer. You're looking at an internal temperature of 140 degrees for this salmon. All right, this little piece is starting to flake. We're gonna go ahead and plate that. And our big piece is done too. Let's go ahead and get this off and put it on the plate. Okay guys, this only took a few minutes. Salmon's all done. Now here's the topper. We're gonna finish it off with this habanero honey glaze. This is so simple to make. In fact, I'm gonna leave a link right now to the video of how to make this homemade habanero honey We're gonna let that sit on there and glaze. It's gonna be spicy, sweet, and delicious. Maybe finish it with a little bit of fresh lemon juice. This is gonna be fantastic. Okay, this turned out beautiful. I can't wait to taste it. Ooh, flaky. You see how beautiful and flaky and delicious this is? That rub gave the outside of the salmon a fantastic crust. Finished with this wonderful habanero hot honey. Great accompaniment. I hope you'll try it. Hope you liked it. I love it. We'll see you here next time on the Idea Plate. Let's get... Shh, sit. We're gonna get these seasoned up heavily on both sides. I'm coming. Our pan is starting to smoke. Lay down. Which is causing my dog to come and sniff. It's not like I'm filming a video. Hot. I get to do this today because Luke and Karen are out of town and Karen doesn't like salmon, so I never make any salmon videos, so that's why I'm doing this. My dog is in the kitchen and he wants to go outside right now. I want to make videos for you guys, I really do. You're gonna have to be patient, but sometimes, you know, I got finished cooking this, bro. Luke and Karen want to eat what I make, so sometimes I kind of got to make what they want to eat. I know. But this week, if you like salmon, you get this. You want to go outside? Please, dear God, tell me I was recording all that. All right, Bubbas. Let me turn the cameras off.